हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज हम लाए हैं स्टैटिस्टिक्स फास्ट रिवीजन। इट मीन्स एक ऐसा बोर्ड का क्वेश्चन जिसमें हम सारी चीजें कर लेंगे, मीन, मीडियन, मोड एंड ओगाइव। सो फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन, प्रोडक्शन इन हेक्टेयर्स एंड नंबर ऑफ फॉर्म्स, दैट इज a class interval and this is nothing but frequency, and we want to calculate first mean, and mean first from step division method, the best method. So here we want to write first mid value, that is x class mark. 50 and 55 total is 105. Half of 105 is 52.5. Now here gap of 5, so we can add 5. 57.5, 62.5, 67.5, 72.5 and 77.5. These are the mid values of the upper limit and lower limit, that is class mark. Middlemost, we have two middlemost numbers, so your choice, we can take any one. So the number greater frequency is here, that's why we'll take assume mean 67.5. So here we write assume mean as 67.5. Now we want to calculate D for the assume mean method, but now here we are applying assume mean method. Now we are applying step division method, that's why we want to calculate U. And you know, U means opposite to assume mean. You have to put 0 and -1, -2, -3 and 1 and 2. These are the U, step division method. And actual U meaning is, you know very well, xi minus a divided by h. So a 67.5, you will get this. The next step is fu. F multiplied by u, -6, -16, -12, 0, 38 and 32. Total of positive numbers we have 70, and total of negative 16 and 6, 22, 22, 24, 34. 6, 36, plus 36. This is plus 36. Total of n, that is sigma f, equals to 100. Sigma f is 100, fu total is 36. Now apply the formula. You know, mean equals to a. First is sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi into I, and I is nothing but the gap, that is 5. So answer is 67.5 plus, cancel out with 20. Now you have to divide 36 by 20, that is 18 by 10, and 18 by 10 is nothing but 1.8. Add these two, what we are getting, that is the final answer. 2 and 7, 69.3 will be the final answer for this mean. Second, median. In median, the most important point is, you know, CF. So first we start with CF for median. 2, 10, 22, 46 and 100. If these two are equal, it means our CF table is correct. Now 100, half of 100 is 50, and just above 50 the number of CF is, so median class is, this is median class 50. Next to 50 number is CF 84, that means 70 to 75 is median class. Apply the formula, you know, just we write again the formula, median equals to L0 plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Substitute the values. First is L0, 70, plus n by 2, 50, CF, previous to, divided by F, F of median class 38 into 5, width of the class interval. 70 plus 4, 5, 20 by 38. 70 plus. You have to divide in the rough column 20 divided by 38.0. 7 times, 6 times. 5 times. 4.5 approx. So here we can write 0.5. Answer is 70.5 is the median. Now the third central tendency data, mode. Now we want to calculate mode. So in mode we need nothing in the tabular work. We need which one is the maximum, and maximum is again 38. That is modal class. Modal class is 70 to 75. Now apply the formula. This is F1. So start with mode L0. F1 minus F0 divided by double of and last H 5. F1 minus F0, 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. What we are getting? 70 plus 4, 1 into 5 divided by 76 minus 40, that is 36. Yes? Cancel out 70 plus 18 and 7. It means 35 divided by 18. Approx 1.9. 70 plus 1.9, that is 71.9 is the mode. So what is the conclusion? All the answers of central tendency, mean, median, mode, approximately nearby. It means your answers are more or less correct, because all the three are concentrating on the center, equidistance from the center. That's why it is called central tendency. Now the last, OGIVE, and how to draw the OGIVE. First less than and then more than. So for less than, we have the table with us. This is for less than. So what combination we are taking? 55, 60, these upper limits with these frequencies will have less than OGIVE. So first we draw the less than OGIVE. Origin, x-axis, y-axis. Here we have to go up to 100. That means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Upper limit. You have to start from 55. So start 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Last is 80. Now plot. First 55 against we have to put 2. So 55 approximate. In actually your graph paper you will have the complete scale. Correct? Is the x-axis and is the y-axis. We are taking CF here and we are taking upper limits here. So first 55, then 2. Rough idea. 60. First 55 only 2. Each one is carrying 10 marks. 20, 30, 40 and so on. So 55 we want 2 only. Very small number. Approx 2. Then we want 10. It is 10. Third we want 22. 22. 70. We need 46. This is 46. 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Next 75. 75 we need 38. 70 we need 84. 84 is large number, is here. Next 80. 100. And you have to join freehand curve. This is called less than OGIVE. If you want to calculate the median from this curve, then half of 100 is 50. Draw a line and parallel to x-axis and then parallel to y-axis. That number is median. So approximately 70, 71. It means our calculation work was correct. The next is the last one, more than OGIVE. Suppose we want to draw on the same one. Here we calculate for the more than CF table for more than is a small change. What we are getting? CF number 2. 16. Start from the bottom. 88 and 6. 54. 54 and 78 and 12. 90. Then 98 and then 100 is the CF for more than 2. Now simply plot on the same graph paper. First at lower limit 50. 50 is here, so we need 100. Next is 55, 98. 55, 98. Very close. 60, 90. 60, 90. 65, 78. 65, 78. Approx. 70, 54. 70, 54. 75, 16. 75, 16. Approx. These are the points, and now we have to plot join freehand. This is called more than OGIVE. Where both the curves meet, that point is nothing but median. So in this way we have completed fast revision in a single question, the complete statistics of class 10th. And one formula we have, mode equals to, you can check, mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. What results we have obtained? Mean, median and mode. If you put here, approximately the result is same. Hence, we have completed this revision. Now up to you, how many questions you have to complete from reference books and get the good marks in your school test. Okay, नया चैप्टर लेके मिलते हैं, तब तक टेक केयर, गुड बाय.